Hey guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics. I've got a 4-foot long span of project here on my bench. I am experimenting with battery charging. I have 2 batteries on the charger. Where's the other one? Here. Through pulsing a coil in a unique way. And I'm only pulling 7-8 milliamps on the power supply to do it, and that's pretty cool. So I'm trickle charging the batteries. I think that they're charging higher than what I'm pulling. There's another amp meter, so I've got 2 together that's showing the same current that's coming off the power supply. But anyway, I'm gonna run this a while and see. I'm harnessing 5 back voltage and back EMF, and going to try to see what happens. So let's take you outside and see what I've been doing out there today. I split a little bit of pine today. My shoulder's been popping, so I'm taking it easier, but oh, that dries fast. That's good. It was sunnier today for once. So I split some pine. Look at the bark coming right off. I like that. And let that dry, and then I'll get it stacked up later. But I think that the sun today, it was 71 I think outside, and sunny. Well, partly sunny occasionally, but that helps. That'll help, gets that dried up pretty quick that way. That's all I did for physical labor. My shoulder's popping in its socket. I slept wrong when I was up in the UP up north, and on the last night, and messed it up. So I've been taking a little bit slow right now until it strengthens up again. Here I have a behemoth rock saw, really nice, and I've been slabbing out some rocks this evening. Let me show you. That's really got some beautiful color in there. My problem with this one is it's severing right around that line. So, and it's hard. That black stuff is really hard to cut. That was a chunk of quartz, and here it's all fractured up this way, but the colors are beautiful. I'd like to make some pendants, some jewelry with some of these, but anyway, then I have, there was a pretty piece, but the problem is I'll have to secure them in some epoxy or something. I like the color in that, it's really pretty. I got some quartz. This was actually a quartz vein from the gold area. I pulled out a quartz vein. You can see the outer edges. That's exactly how I pulled it out of the mountain. And I sliced it. And I think it's got some pretty colors and patterns. Look at the yellows and the darks in there. A lot of mineralization in there. Makes for some pretty colors. So I got a few of those. Here was another smaller one that I slabbed out. It's really pretty. I like the colors. That's the iron ore and the rust in there. I got a few of them. I experimented. Some pieces I was not pleased with how they're working out. The epidote with calcite and the basalt with epidote and calcite. It's just not really showing its beauty like I thought. You can see the green, you can see the base brown rock and the green and the white, but I don't know, it's not, I don't think it's jewelry colored. I don't think I can sell anything from that. It looked better out in the nature. Maybe I should have left it there. And then I have what's called Verda Antique from the Ropes Gold Mine area. That is beautiful. That one is one of my best pieces from today. That's just amazing. There was another one, I think. No, that was from a different rock. but pretty colors. I think I can do something with that. It's got some beautiful colors, different shades of green. It's all greens, from light to dark, dark, dark. Really pretty. So that's, I see why that's so popular now. I cut some slag, but it shatters. There's fractures in this piece. This will be translucent and glassy-like. Maybe I can make something with this piece. And I cut some copper ore. You can hear my rock tumbler in the garage. I cut some copper ore, and I had no idea what I was going to find inside these. But that's copper with some, you got, well, something bite me. Tiny, tiny bugs bite me. There's copper with, I don't know, maybe I can do something with that. There's some epidote, and there's some calcite and basalt. That one's the copper ore. These I really like, though. I think I can make something out of them. There was one piece with copper and it fragmented. I don't know where it went. There was a piece of that. I'm not sure. Oh, there's another one. There's these copper gas bubbles that filled with copper inside the basalt, the lava rock. Really cool. I don't know if I can do something with that or not. But anyway, that's what I did this evening. I've got a lot of chunks here because these pieces broke up a lot. But I like the colors. I don't know. And then maybe I can get something out of the smaller pieces, do something with them in the future once I figure out and learn how to cut and shape rocks into jewelry. So I won't throw them away because there's some pretty colors. And then there's some more of the Verta Antique here that I got some, you can see the marbling in there. That's pretty. It's a smaller chunk. It was only this wide. Oh, those little black things, I don't know, they look like worms. I don't know how they get on you, but they bite. But the marbling in that is beautiful. Maybe I can make some small pendants out of them. There's some really beautiful colors. When that's polished, that's going to just be amazing. See the marbling in there? Just amazing. That's why the Verta Antique is so popular. That's some mud from cutting. Here's a bigger one. These turned out okay, actually. So you can see the colors. These turned out okay. I like the white. I wish there was more white in the middle, but you get what you get. Maybe I can cut closer to the edge on here and make a pendant out of that somehow. That's just pretty with the white in there. But anyway, and this was the end piece. There's some beautiful marbling on that one. But that I highly doubt I'll be able to do anything with. Pretty though. Anyway, so that's how I spent my day. Just a brief video today. I got this rock saw not too long ago. It's actually a brick and tile saw, and it's serving me well. It's really, really nice. But I've got to practice making pendants and hopefully get some going here soon.